So Shane here with RVs of America. Just wanted to throw in one of those little tips, hacks, little upgrades that you can do on your Black Series. We're right now in the HQ19, but come over here and let me show you the HQ19. All of them come equipped with a cool little fancy washing machine. Does not come with a dryer, so today I'm going to show you a drying option. Of course, just like any washer, it does have a spin cycle. So when you spin it, everything will be pretty dry, but they'll still be a little damp. So today I want to show you what we're going to do. We're going to install a shower clothesline in here. And the plan is going to be to go from this corner here over to the corner back behind the door. And the reason why is because we've measured it. We're going to put it like right up over here. That's gives you about the longest, just over 3 feet, so not a ton. But over here, you can buy one of these things on Amazon. If you've ever seen these are in the hotels. That thing comes out, gives you your clothesline. It's gonna comes with all this stuff. You're gonna have your that holds the screws in the wall. So what you're gonna need to do is get a drill bit to pre-drill the pilot, drill the hole so you can put that in and then put the screw in. Screwdriver comes with this little screwdriver. Super simple setup, but we'll give you a little option to have a place to hang up your clothes after washing them. So hopefully this video, I'll install it really quick and then I'll do a recording of the final, assembly and setup. But 1 minute and I'll show you that. About 10.5 hours later. No, not really. There it is. Ta-da! And ta-da! Not so bad, right? So this is kind of cool. It didn't really take me 10 hours, like maybe 9.5 minutes. Tricked you. Okay, and then you do that. It tightens it up, and then you turn this and it locks it in place so it's kind of nice and tight, and then there you go. Okay, and then you pull it off. There it is. Well, I guess you could bring it out. You could do lots of things with it. And then do this. There you go. Easy peasy. Just need to clean it up a little bit, wipe it down, and there's your quick laundry clothesline modification. If you want us to come do it, like I said, it's about a 10-hour job, so it's $1,000 to install. Part costs a couple bucks on Amazon, or you can do it yourself for free. Anyway, thanks for watching. It's Shane at RVs of America. It is www.rvsofamerica.com. Subscribe and watch for all of our other cool modifications. This is made out of real silver. That's why it's so expensive. And it takes 10 hours. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.